how do you get to know what your strengths are? Well, start by noticing your strengths. Think about what makes you feel alive. What makes you get up in the morning? What do you look forward to doing every day? What helps you lose track of time when you're in the middle of doing it? You look, well, where's the time gone? Then once you've identified those, you need to free up your strengths. You need to plan your week around those activities. You need to volunteer as much as you can to use those activities with teams or otherwise. Talk to your team leader about your strengths and ask how you can leverage them within your existing work and in future work. And the next, you got to stop your weaknesses. Be honest about what drains you. What do you dread doing? What do you try to avoid doing, right? You may still need to do some of those things, but if you can manage around them better when you understand what your strengths are and when you name them, speak up. Talk about your strengths with your team and your team leader. Ask others, what strengthens them, right? Draw it out of them. Build roles around strengths, not just job descriptions, right? And finally, build strong habits. Create strength statements. I encourage you to do the same. And at the beginning, review them quarterly, right? Plan your work around them. Track what strengthens you and what weakens you. Modify your strength statements as needed and as you grow. So take a moment to reflect. What strengthens you? What weakens you? How can you use your strengths to be more intentional in your role as a black belt? I encourage you to write your own strength statements. Use them to guide your work, your conversations, and your development. Your strengths are your edge. They're what makes you effective, resilient, and inspiring. So as you move forward with this training program, keep your strengths front and center. Think about them. They'll guide your growth, they'll help you build strong teams, and they'll help you propel forward. If you got value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe so you don't miss a single module. And if you have any questions about the content, please put them in the comments. I answer every one.